Two.
Hey, Daddy.
Hmm?
Who's Ella Fitzgerald?
You say Ella Fitzgerald? Well,
Ella Fitzgerald. She was a jazz singer. As a young woman in Virginia, Ella longed for independence and dreamed of one day becoming an entertainer. As a teenager, she was living on the streets and singing for pennies. But in 1934, at the age of 17, she got her big break. She entered the amateur night contest at the Apollo Theater in Harlem. She signed up as a dancer at first, but changed her routine to singing when she saw her competition. They were dressed in sparkling matching dresses, while she was in tattered clothing. But she wowed the audience with her unique voice and won the first place prize of $25, worth about $500 today, literally going from rags to riches. The following year, she landed a role as lead singer with Chick Webb and his orchestra, a popular band that regularly played at one of Harlem's hottest nightclubs, the Savoy Ballroom. At the same time, she was building a solo career. In 1938, she recorded her first album and her first hit single, A Tisket, A Tasket. Her career snowballed from there. In the 1950s, she developed her famous instrumental style of singing called scatting. She collaborated with greats from all over the music industry, including Duke Ellington, Louis Armstrong, Count Basie, and Frank Sinatra. In 1958, she made history when she became the first African American woman to win a Grammy. Over her long, successful career, she recorded more than 200 albums and some 2,000 songs. Ella has gone down in history as one of the most iconic voices of all time. She was fondly known as the First Lady of Jazz and the First Lady of Song.